मी बरोबर करतो.
Sir, we want the instructor like who came on Sunday. So that's
You're not.
that's two.
All of you sit down. All of you sit down. Yeah. Stop talking, Ritu. 7 mark is not something to celebrate, okay? Okay, majority I'm hearing it is 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what happened? Did you see the question paper? What is the time was given there? Did you get 30 minutes?
Yes.
Okay. Please don't tell the teacher took the paper. You started all this nonsense. Yeah. Listen. Now over here, the marks, it is not that is half an hour timing will be given. If other person has given extra time, does not mean that all will be giving extra time. You have to complete your work in time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no need to tell they snatched. Even that will means, okay, if anyone felt the paper was lengthy, you can send a message your paper was lengthy. But it is not lengthy, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so because of the preparations, so do at least next time onwards, do it well. This is not minimum, we have to get one chapter. What was it? The GST and banking. 12 marks, if you can get it, there is nothing because all the questions are direct ones only. And if anyone feel that mark was not given, totaling problem, whatever is there, you can give for rechecking also, there is no problem. Okay. And those who wanted to, any problems are there, bring the paper, I'll see what is it. Those who feel our mark was not given, and bring the question paper and model answer also along with that. These all was given now.
Yes, sir.
Question paper and model answer also was given now.
Yes, sir.
So when bring the paper, question paper and model answer, both you bring. Okay. Chalo, that's it. So practice, and at least in the next paper onwards, do well and get good marks. That's it. Okay, those who got 14, remember you have to next paper you have to get 50. Those who got 11, remember you have to get at least 2 more than 11. Okay, like that. Those who got 7, remember that at least 5 more marks. 5 more, at least 12. Okay, make it a point I should get 12 or above. Always. Not that 7, 8. The parents will be happy, satisfied. Will any parent will tell? No. Okay. Yeah, I kept one volume over here. I think I brought the volume. I did not take the volume. Take it out. Okay now. So table using number we follow. Today, what is the problem? You did not sleep well? No. Okay. Chalo, listen. Table, all of you know how to use it? Yes, sir. Now, even opposite way also will come. Opposite way means? Are you followed? Sin theta is equal to how much? 0.9036. Find the value of theta. All of you take that this one table. All of you take the table and just take it. Table is open in the sign. What is happening over here?
We have to find the value of tan 12 and 45 degree. Just for example.
12, 45.
Okay. 45 degree.
I'll tell you what is your example. 12. What is your problem? 12 degree 45 minutes. Your question is coming as 48 and subtract. Always try to open. Okay. Smaller and add. Okay. Basically both will come same only. That is it. There are some cases little bit minute difference. Otherwise always. Means 40, 45 means 42 plus 3 or 48 minus 3. Always try to learn plus 3. Cos also what you have to do? Cos means 42 and minus. Okay now? Okay. Now 9036. Look here. Sign table all of you taken? Yes. 9036 is not there in that this one. Could you identify? Yes. Maybe 9033 is there.
Yes, sir.
What is 9033?
64
degree and 36 minutes. That is for 9033. So the balance is 3. Isn't it? 9033 plus. So that means difference how much? 2. Therefore 64 degree 38 minutes. Are you followed all of you?
Yes.
Okay now. Followed. Now next is look at here. This one. So in the cos table, you have to find the value above this one. 90 cos value either 9083 there.
24 degree 44 minutes.
What is the value?
24 degree 44.
What value? 9085 is how much? 24 degree 42 minutes. Okay, then this is balance is coming as 2. 2 corresponds to which one?
2.
Are you followed all of you?
Yes, sir.
Cos means above value take and the difference again because cos is coming decreasing. Hope all of you followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Srishti followed?
Yes.
Okay, I am going to write one question. Srishti will be giving the answer. Cos theta is equal to 0.6347. All of you find out. Always remember cos means either this value or above value. 6346. Who is that? How many Srishtis are there? This value or above value? 5336 is for what? 6347 exactly there.
Yes, sir.
Directly answer. Isn't it? 50 directly value is there. So there is no differences are coming. Understood or not? Okay. Okay. Sanskruti followed. Yes or no? Nothing. Little bit. What is that little bit? Okay, Sanskruti. Who's that Vichar? Sanskruti, find out this value. This value is there in the cos. Near above value is there? Nothing is there. 6344 means something is there, na? 6347 is there. So 6347 is corresponds to which one? 50 degree 36 minutes or not?
Yes,
Yes or no? So 47 means band difference is 3. So for mean difference 3 take under 50 degree. How much?
So there is no mean difference.
Yes, there's no 3.
Mean difference is how much is there?
2, 4, 7.
246, you know? So two difference of 3 is there. Generally you will be giving the exactly mean difference. You take the nearest one. Okay, 3 is taken. 2 is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Mean difference under 3 is how much? Sorry, 3 is for what? 2.
No, 7, right?
What is the mean difference are given?
Mean difference of 3 is 7.
After that 3 and 7 no?
Yes.
So 3 under 1 only is coming now. What? 2 is under 1. 2, 4.
Mean difference of 1 is equal to
2479.
Look here, where you have to check? You have to write here. What value you have to write? Stop talking now. 6347, what value taken? 50 under 36. The remainder it is coming as okay. Or you have 2 is there, no? I will write it as a 2. Okay. 6344, no? 6345. So 2 is there, no? So what value you will take? 2's corresponding value, what did you take? Are you follow? 2's
Yes.
So do we have to take 7?
No.
7 corresponds to what? 2 will come. Understood the difference? So, you check this one now. If it is 6345, 6345 is not there. 6347 is how much? See, he knows everything. That's why his painting is going. You know all the things now. That is why you're doing. 6345 is 50 degree under 36. Okay. Now, balance is difference is 2. Okay now. So what you have to do over here? 2 means under 2. 2 is under which one? Mean difference 1. So these headings you have to value to take. Not inside the body value you have to take. So value is 1 is taken now. 1. Therefore this is coming as how much? 50 degree 37 minutes. Now, had it been if it is 6, this much is clear.
The minus of
Opposite way we are doing now. Bigger means this one. If minus means it's the opposite way you have to do now. Understood or not? You have to think and do it. Bigger value taking. So then it is adding. Smaller value means subtracting. Because you have to be careful. Okay now? Generally that much differences will not be there. That will addition subtract. Over your problem. Since our beginning itself, one things are going. Everything you got it back. No problem now. Now next is, so if it is coming as, okay.
Sir, I didn't understand that.
Because you are busy in your lot of work now.
No, sir.
Okay.
Board is not visible.
Board is not visible. I is standing, you did not tell now. You let him come. All of you find out. Tan theta is equal to 0.2210. Is it 2210 is there in the table? Lowest, least to lower value? 2217. 10 smaller value is 2217. 220 something is there? 2199 is there?
Yes, sir.
So 2199 is corresponds to what?
12 degree,
12 degree? 24 minutes. So then how much? 11 is coming now. For 11, what is the value? 11 is there. 12 is there. What is the value for 12? 4. So add 12 degree, 28 minutes. Nearby. 2199 is there now. 2199 plus 11. subtracted. So 11 corresponds to 4. Are you followed? 11 is not there, 12. 11 is not there, means nearby value take. 12. Are you followed, More?
Sir, how do you get 11?
Difference देखना.
Take the difference between these two. Okay. See, look here. Subtract. Subtracting what did you get? 11 only now.
Yes, sir.
The 11 mean difference column, nothing is there. But 12, nearby 12 is there. 12 is under 4. So 4 is taken. So what you have to do? Add. Okay now? Followed? Sure. Okay. Next one. Next question I wrote already. 1.0715. 1.07. You're not followed it. 1.0715. 724. Smaller value. 1.07. 686 only. 686 is correspondingly what? 46 degree 54 minutes. Okay. 686 and what is the difference over here? 19. 29. 7 also is 20. Because smaller value take. So 29 value is there. 25. After 25, which is the value? 29 is near to 31 now. So 31 value is correspond to 5. So how much? 46 degree 59. Which is the nearby value take? Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
I repeat, Bore, look here. This is the value. This value is not there in the table. Previous value take means it is 7.1, nothing is there. So 0.686. Difference between these two is taken 29. This minus this. So under 29 you look at the mean difference column. Under mean 29 there is no mean difference values there. So but nearby what is there? 31 is there. 31 or 25? 24. 29 is not there. Whereas for 24 it is there now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And whereas 31 is there. So 29 is near to what? 31. So these values. Add. Followed now?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay.
Sir, what if the difference is
Difference is same
same?
in same, no? That you take all equally. Generally that exactly the value they will give. Okay. Okay, when the value is exactly no differences, you will get always that except. Okay. Now, next is what happened? Not followed. Which step you are not followed? This value are followed. This also not followed. This is. How did you get 29? You know. Okay. In the mean difference column under 46, what are the values? Read. Mean difference column under 46, what are the values? Under 46, what are the values? 6, 12, 80, 25, loudly, 31. Our value is 29. This 29 is near to which one? 31. So its up value is 5 now. Okay. If it was exactly value means take it. Almost every case is exact value only you'll get. Not this way you'll get. I just randomly given, that is why this value is coming. Hope all of you followed.
Yes.
Okay. So yes. Ritu. Sarkar, what happened? Okay now? Next one, all of you. Listen. All of you got now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This one. Sarkar, do the question. Krishti, this time you will not tell.
Sir, 3.210.
Okay. Find out. She is opening the book only.
Sir,
Any question is written over there now? Find out fast. All others got the answer.
Sir, 3.21.
2144 is there.
2106.
2106 only is there.
Yes, yes.
After 2106 is what?
230.
So 2106.
3.2.
3.2106. What is the value? 70.
42 minutes.
42 minutes. Now what is the difference is coming? 44 minus 38 na?
Yes, sir, 30.
38. 38 is there or what in mean difference
Sir,
called?
32.
After 32 what is the next?
64.
So 32 is under
1.
72 degree 40.
23 minutes.
Hope all of you followed.
Yes, sir.
Anyone having a problem now? So table opposite way also you can do it. Same way and opposite way. Same way checking is easy. Only cos only you have to be careful. Okay, sine and cotangent it's a smaller value, cos you take upper one. Or smaller value and that also same way you can do it. Okay, then both the ways you can do it. Now another one. Listen. Even if given us addition subtraction all of you know.
Yes, sir.
Mean yes 36 degree 48 minutes plus 42 degree 25 minutes. Find out what is the answer.
78.
Who is that? Do write in their book. I will ask you. What is the answer of this one? Or I do not. Art was a very good. Art needs to. Who got the answer?
Sir.
Raise your hand. Yeah, who is that? Right, raise your hand. I wanted to see. Yes. Wrong.
78,
You write in your book as well. My calculation, your mind blowing.
79.
Hey, who is that? Who is shouting?
Sound.
Sound.
Those who wrote 78 degrees, 73 minutes, it is wrong. You have to more than 60 minutes, you have to change it.
70.
Understood or not?
79.
78 degrees, 73 minutes, all of you got?
Yes.
But this 73 has to be 1 degree, has to break it. Below, that is 79 degree, 13 minutes. Are you followed all of you? When you add in both of them, you will get as 73. 73 is more than 60. 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. So bring it adjust over here. Hope all of you followed. What is it? One more thing, at breakfast or? Yeah. Complete all of you. What is it? 3 are sitting to talk only. That is why you came over here. Subtract all of you. Subtract. Yeah. Subtract. What you can't see from this also?
No, sir. Now I can see, sir.
Subtraction. Write and do it. Yeah, mind will be there. Last time also. Now what happened? The textbook you write. Notebook you cannot write. Subtract. You cannot do in your notebook. Move to the side.
6 degree 70.
This is what.
20.
Hey, I don't normally will shout the answer. I wanted to see everyone who kindly to see the answer. You are ready for the practice doing. No. Look here. Paras. Where you done? Where is yours? Where I can? Have you copied? Sure, no? Listen, all of you. Where is the answer? Yeah. You got everything. So, okay, let him explain. Yes. What is your answer?
5 degree.
How did you get it? Let's just.
Sir, first you have to minus this.
First, you have to minus this.
मतलब left hand.
Left hand side. Okay. Left hand side subtract. So it is 6 degree. Now,
Then sir, we have to take the difference of these two
these two.
and then minus it.
Listen, all of you. Not that way. This is a smaller number. So make it. So this is coming as 41 degree and 685. Subtract. Okay. This is coming as 37 and 5.
Same.
See. Understood or not? You make it a bigger. Carry forward this one. 42 degrees same as 41 plus 60. 60 is added with this one. 85. So 85 minus 48. 37. Are you followed?
Yes.
Not followed. Look, can we subtract 25? This is degree and degree. This is degree and degree. Minute and minute. Minute will be subtracted from minute only. So this is 25 and 48. So you cannot subtract now. So carry. 1 degree will come over here. 1 degree same as 60 minutes. 60 plus 25 is 85. And this will be 41 degree. Understood now? So 85 minus 48 is 37. 41 minus 36 is 5. Understood now?
Yes.
Addition, subtraction, no problem.
Yes.
Now, look, another thing. Why is addition, subtraction is come as? If the question is asked, sine 38 degree, 22 minutes minus 41 here, 14 degree, 54 minutes. How will you get the answer? How will you get the answer? Should we find out both the values and subtract? First you find out this value and subtract. Not that way. First you simplify this one, then only you get. So all of you subtract this value. You cannot write and do. You will do this way. Exam also do this way. Subtract it. Yeah. What? Take out the notebook. Where is the notebook? Let me see the answer. Yeah. You got the answer. And final answer got it. What is your answer? 23 degree. What is the answer? 20. Yeah, 24, around 24. Yeah. Correct. It's wrong. This will come 37 degree and 82 and 14 degree 54. Subtract this one. 23 degree 28 minutes. 28 minutes. Find out from the value. 0.3982. Hope all of you followed.
Yes,
The mean difference to be added.
Yes.
Abhi, are you following? Huh? Still not followed. Followed till. Got the answer also. Did you get the answer? Answer is 0.3982. Still anyone having a problem? What happened? Doubt? Arey, tell now, what is your doubt? Speak. You did not get this one. Can you subtract 22 and 54? 22 and 54, can you subtract? Did you get this one? Are you followed this one? Then sign you find out now, sign in the call table. Sign under 28 is there, not there. Sign under 23 degree 24 and mean difference 4. Okay, 23 under 24 and mean difference column 4. Check the answer. Are you getting or not? Check. Niti got the answer. Vaishnavi got the answer. Vaishnavi is still sleeping on. Yeah. Take the exercise, next exercise. There's an exercise there now. 21 point, that table is required. 21.3. Quickly do it fast. Page number 980. Fast, quickly do it. It's a simple one. Directly. Combined work I don't need to do separately. You do it fast. Without discussions to all of you. What 0.354? Do in your book.
Sir, doing my own.
You started.
Sir, he's doing his own. Sir, this was on the 8:30.
All of you will do it yourself. Even Sanskriti, do it yourself. You do it and after that I will do it. Still people are talking. Still talking, sign 28 under. Ritu is talking. Is there anyone not getting the answer? Swami getting the answer? Maureen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, while calculating, I did not hear anything from you. Okay, you are the only one from without here. Exam or given. Same thing. Yes.
Sir, actually, it's the first question, third one. That's a practice.
First question, third one, did you add both of them?
Yes, sir. I added both of them.
So that is coming as about 30 degree, 55 minutes. Sorry, 65, 31 degree, 5 minutes.
So I instead of like adding from zero
Why you have to do, you do the same method. Okay? Answer is little, sometimes a bit different will be there. Generally, it should not have. Again, all are talking. The front bench people are talking. Paras, one done or first and second is done. First ka third part, go add both of them now.
Sir, if you do 10 degree, 20 minutes,
No, you. So that means you still have to do. First, you find this value, then answer subtract. You rule found out. You cannot first simplify. Alright, what is sin A plus B? Sin A plus sin B. Can you do this way? Can you separate this way?
Sorry, sir.
Can you write sin of a plus b as sin a plus sin b? Or then how can you do that? Find out the values and not be enough. First angles to be joined, then will be. Add both of them, then multiply. Completed all of you? Time over.
For which one first?
3105, 31 under 0. 31 under 0 you got no? Then for 5 you need 506. 506 and subtracting. You have changed the previous one. 0 and 5. Okay? Always previous one. That 30 degrees 65 minutes, what is to be done? Sin 39, 31 degrees 05. How? 30 under 60 things.
Oh, yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
65 make it the figure. Because subtractionally directly that is opposite way to it. Completed. Conclusion. There is no beginning. What is the problem? I not this way. First you add to coming what is done? Sin A plus B is not sin A plus sin B. You cannot separate it. First add, then it's actually understood or not? It's system. Then what? And they all others are doing the last question. Here, first question you have done. 8 questions are there. What is it? Whosoever is having doubt, ask to me. No need to discuss each other. Who are the you? 65 is 1 degree and 5 minutes. What is that? 31 degree, 5 minutes. Just to know, why is it correct? So this is same as 31 degree. No need to write. That is same as 31 degree, 5 minutes. Yes. What is it all?
Question would be right.
Depends on not eating to depend on all you have to find out, then you need to do and for the cost 2570 now. Cost now 25 and 12 find out. 9 only. Now that's fine. 5 comes over here. And 0 40 minus 6. Are you followed? Yes or no? Are you 25 look here? Cos. Cos 25. We understand. We don't have to find out the and 0 or 5 or not. Finally, what is it? And we need to multiply. Are you following?
Yes, sir. Not done.
All that.
Not writing. For a meal,
Which position do you?
second.
What is it? This is it is fine, huh? Figure what it is.
Second.
Yes. 685 का बिगेस्ट ब्लॉक डाउन कर दो आफ्टर 68 8 पर 1 lower is given okay this is na smaller and smaller the bigger value here what is it 6 6896 right and 6 na and 96 आएगा what is it what is it right so level under level five sometimes we will get different okay for sometimes different stuff okay generally stuff I said don't write anything in the table keep writing what is later you cannot see the table or you are marking something alone you are explaining is not to explain okay you want to get a response with which question did you ask all the stuff which is what legal 30 degree 65 same as 35 you have followed or not so 31 under 0 time of course 9 31 under 0 what is the value 31 under 0 5 into 5 okay na or not complete now you still confused what is the problem what is the problem yes no problem First or second part, what is it? Which means every time something is going down, and let it be there. What are you searching for? Where has gone? I think it to do one thing enough. I have to put down, sit down there. What is the question? Sin theta. What is the value? 96.25 is there. It's a lower value change. 6 lower value. 6 by where? 6 by 2 1. What is the value? 40 degree, 42 minutes. So 2 1 plus 4 no. 7 4. Here. The value 2. Coming to you want this to add it. 42 minus what is the answer from? then value is can be done in the lower value. That value is checking that yes, yeah, coming there now. You are the all done. This man, what happened? Shivam, what happened? You have it now. Which one you are doing? Science cost or that? Science cos you take bigger value. Generally bigger value on that. All done. Table. All full book is done.
Lesser value, sir.
This much all done.
Yes.
Copy from me.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
We were doing. And you, which one? It's on.
Lesser value subtract. Same value.
But generally bigger value always that difference is a bigger value. Completed.
Yes,
Two all
sir.
are completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One is showing this. Yeah, completed. The last one. What happened? Not getting. Upping or later. Fast. Good. This one. Question number 5. Common explanation will be. Yeah. All of you completed the first one now?
Yes, sir.
First one, how many parts are there?
Three.
It's all signed now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here.
59.
Tell the first value.
The answer is
Answer is
0.358.
35. All of you be quiet now. More else? Not more. Let's stop here. Okay. Second part.
0.7357.
7357. 7357 now.
77, sorry.
77 now. What is it?
777.
Third one. You. Paras. Porous. Best porous substance. Okay. First question, that one.
0.5162.
5162. All of you got the first question of this answer? Okay. But here, second question, first part.
0.9993.
9993.
Yes.
All of you got?
Yes, sir.
Kruti.
Sir, 0.8946.
8946. Those who are not getting, tell me. Okay. Kruti. Sorry, Sanskruti. Huh? Next one. Say 0. Are you loudly speak now? 9.
9042.
Fasting is over now? Still fasting is going on? You had the breakfast? No. She had 9042. All of you got this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Brikshita. Okay. Third question. How many parts are there? 2 parts. Third question, first part.
0.7536.
0.7536.
Yes, sir. Correct.
What is the name? Huh? Bhumi Raj. Bhumi Raj is a big builder. Okay. 3144. Yes or no? All of you got this one? This is question number 3. Avi, what's the full name? Avi, what's the full name?
Chandalia.
Huh? Okay, Avi, this is the fourth question. On 29 degree, correct 29. 29 degree, all of you got?
Yes, sir.
So far, no problem. Sakit. Fifth one. 40 degree, 44 minutes. All of you got it? All of you got the same answer? Anyone not getting, tell me. 40 degree? Question reads this girl. Sarkar reader. Which value? Sin theta is equal to 6525. So, smaller value tell. 40 degree under
42 minutes.
42 means what is the value? Tell. 6521 now. 40 degree, 42 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then 4 under 4 each check. This is 40 degree under 42. 4 balance difference is 4. 4 is under. So add both of them. Are you followed? 44. Okay then. This was question number 5 now. Saket said no. Next one, question number 6. Huh? Huh? Tan 13 degree. Huh? Cos 10 degree. Exactly 10 degree.
Yes, sir.
All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
You stand up. You stand up.
Sir, he was
Before that,
asking,
you know,
sir,
you
he
people
was
are not
asking to
talking.
mask you pen.
Before that, you people, these two are not talking. When you came only the thing.
No, sir, yes, sir.
Mommy,
Yes, sir.
hello. Between mommy comes
Sir.
that you are talking. This is the third time I am calling for the call. Vishal, formula I forgot. You asked everyone formula. You are supposed to ask someone formula, na? Whom? You asked him. Both of you write 10 times.
Sir, I will ask you.
Yeah. You did not ask. Yes. Next question. Srishti, what are the next questions answer? Question number 6 or 7?
5.
This is 5.
Yes, sir.
5 first. Second part, 2 parts are there.
Yes.
What is the Srishti? What is the answer? You have a doubt. Who got the answer? Vaishnavi, what is the answer? 46 degree.
29.
Okay now. Someone 20 or 39, listen. Okay, exactly. Read the question. Srishti.
0.6.
Cos theta is equal to 0.6885. This answer na?
Yes.
Okay. 6885 is exactly this one. Listen. Yeah. Listen. 6855 is there in the question. 06. Bigger value you are taken cost now.
Yes, sir.
Upper value you are taken now. All of you be quiet now. Upper value take. Which is upper value?
6.
6896. That is 46, 24. Okay. Then main difference is 11. 11 corresponds to 5. And
Sir, 29. Yes.
this I will set you now add this one.
Yes,
To you.
Yes, sir.
Look here now. That is I told it is signed. Look here. Remember, always cos value take the bigger value. 30 degree and it's only 1 minute difference only sometimes. So between that one, okay. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Bigger value, cos value always take the bigger value. Sin value and tan value smaller value. Directly looking table is different. Okay. Followed? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Next one. 6 over. 2. 13 degree 36 minutes. All of you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Over now.
Yes.
The second part is there.
Alright, second part answer. Didi. 36 degree 28 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. More are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Seventh and eighth. Seventh question. Answer. 58 degree 58 minutes.
And 58 degree 59 minutes.
Sir, the answers are the same.
Sir, not 8.
8 or 9?
Same question, 2 answers.
Okay, and the last one?
43 degree 28.
28 minutes. Look here. Generally, you will see exactly from the table. There are sometimes only the difference. Minute, 1 minute, here are the difference will be there. It's okay.
Do we have like values correct seconds?
Seconds you don't need to go. Minutes is enough. Because table.
In this question has 7 questions.
So basically it's a middle. Okay. It is coming as 46 degree. Round it off to the next one, higher one.
Like assuming we learn the seconds,
Hmm?
we learn the value in seconds, will we get the accurate answer?
But we don't have a seconds value now. You cannot use the table for seconds now. Okay. Generally you have to take this one. Yes, what is the problem?
The sine theta equals to 0.85.
Sin theta is equal to 0.857 means 850, 70. Smaller value. Yes or no? Smaller value. Smaller value. Huh?
Sir, got it.
So Saptar is always correct. No? Okay. Chalo. All of you follow now. Eighth question is this one. No? Doubt. You have to read the question loudly.
0.7.
Theta is an acute angle. Huh.
Cos theta is equal to 0.7258.
7258 and you have to find out tan theta, no?
Tan theta minus sin.
So you have to find out 2 tan theta.
Minus sin.
So first is from here value of theta you have to find out. You know how to find out the theta. So what is the value of theta you got? Hey, this is question. Which question is this one?
Homework is, sir, homework is. Sir,
The
she
common
wants you
person,
to do the homework.
Look here. Find
That is not there.
find theta.
Only we have to find the value.
All okay now? Sarkar, you know you can do now. Bigger value take. 7258. You can do now. Yes or no? Yes. Okay.
So now we have to.
Sir, some 80 chapters.
Chapter over now. Okay. Yeah. You forget Ishani. You all are studying for Ishani only. Where is Ishani? No, no Ishani. This chapter is not there for your board exam.
They're not for this term.
Other term, look here, ICSE, you have to write a board examination. Is it like, 9th standard? Okay, I can understand. Okay, this term, that term. Is it term here focused toward the board examination? Okay, so now, term, yeah, listen all of you now. This one, this chapter work is done. Homework exercises you have to do it. Okay, now, which are, okay, now, okay, these people, I don't know, exchange of more, you are also a party doing. All the time, Saksham and More. What is it mean? Yeah. Yeah. Because properly. I don't know. Huh? What?
You are not very
Yeah. All right. Okay now. Half of the time you will be. Yeah. Cross this one trigonometry now. Cross the good one. Done. Okay, that's it. That's all we do. Patia. Yeah, we have done the commercial mathematics, only shares and dividend. I don't know whether it is there in the exam or not.
No, sir, not there.
Not there? Hello? Wait. Hello, be quiet or not. There are not there in the exam means, it's the ICC board has declared which all topics are not there in the exam. No, there. This was why I'm telling the ratio is calculated. Ratio is always there. Ratio is now, More, you have done all the options you have given. Statistics set, matrices set, probability. All done, no? Now be equal. Now stop talking and listen. In your this one, why I'm getting ICSE board in our previous 2 years because of the pandemic situation, there were some chapters were deleted. Okay, now this one they have not come up with a new circular for this year. Okay, Rukshita. I'll take that one. That's why you never keep the mobile over here. Keep in the bag only. Okay. Now, so that is why shares and dividend was not there. Even some other topic was there. Doctor's chapter was not there. Some symmetry was not there like that. 2-3 chapters are not. The symmetry is not there. Now, whichever, so maybe whereas CBSE also this year also they reduce certain syllabus from the 10th standard. So it may. Now, it make what money? No, we have to do this, one is quadratic equation, we are done.
Yes, sir.
Problem based on quadratic equation is there in your term one?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
It is there. That is called simple problems, okay? Okay, solving the practical problems, okay? That is it. Now, remainder and factor theorem is done in your school?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's do the remainder and factor theorem. Problem is solved. Volume 1 is not required, okay? And listen. First and foremost thing is, two parts are there. But do you know what is the factor theorem? Do you know what is the remainder theorem? See. Do you know, anyone knows about it? Yeah. Write down, all of you write the chapter. So next class onwards, bring the volume 1. Yes.
We have the 6th chapter.
We don't have.
Sir, first to 10 all chapters except shares and dividends. So we can do that.
What happened? You okay? Okay. All of you write down tabulating written, remainder and factor theorem written. Okay, below write down remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. Right. Remainder theorem. If f of x is a polynomial, if f of x is a polynomial in x, f of x, this is called f of x, is a polynomial in x. Have you seen? I'll stand over here.
It's a polynomial.
Next time I want to use it over here.
Sir, I think
So you can, it's not that permanent place, you can, there are a lot of places. One minute. Polynomial in x, comma. When f of x is divided by, comma, when f of x is divided by x minus a, when f of x is divided by, when WHEN, when f of x is divided by x minus a, the remainder is f of a. The remainder is f of a. Sanskriti, did you write? Till where you wrote?
When f of x is divided by.
Divided by x minus a. Divided by x minus a, the remainder is which one? F of a. Remainder is f of a. Written all of you?
Yes.
No problem?
No.
Here. Are you followed what is it? Below right as a note. When f of x, below right another one. When f of x is divided by x plus a. F of x is divided by x plus a. The remainder is f of minus a. Sarkar knows all this.
Yes.
When f of x is divided by x plus a, the remainder is f of minus a. Written?
Yes, sir.
There is no problem?
No, sir.
You know without this one, do you know division of polynomials, all of you? Before that, do you know what is a polynomial? Do you know what is a polynomial? Yes. Those who know, those who know something, you tell the polynomial. More than two terms.
Combination of variables and constants.
More than two terms. More than four terms. Achha. More than five terms. Yes. Option goes on. 2, 3, 4. Maximum 10, 15, more than 1 term. Okay. Now, polynomials are denoted by f of x, g of x, p of x, q of x, anything. That's an x is the variable that f of x means a polynomial in x, p of x means a polynomial in y, p of y means a polynomial in y. Okay. Now, polynomial means it's any algebraic expressions. Now, immediately tell what is algebraic expressions. It is a combination of variables and constants combined with an added addition. It can be, it is not more than two terms. It can be one term also is a polynomial. You have to see this one. And next is, are you listening? Counting the pages alone? Just revising. Now, over here, when you check the algebraic expressions, degree of all the variables should be whole numbers. You know what are whole numbers?
Yes.
What are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3. Like f of x is equal to 3x square. It's an algebraic expression, therefore it is a polynomial. 2x plus 5. It's again an algebraic expression, it's a polynomial. 3x raised to 1 by 3 plus 4. No, it's not a polynomial because it is a degree is not possible. Okay, degree means what is the power of the variable. Power of the variable. What is the power of this variable? 1. Power of this variable? 2. Power of this variable? 1 by 3. So it's not a polynomial. Root 3x plus 5. It is a polynomial of degree. Constant you don't need to take. Okay, that is the one. So these all are polynomials. If it is 5 alone, it is again a polynomial. This polynomial is called constant polynomial. 5 means 5x raised to 0. Okay, constant polynomial. Yeah. It's a notation name only. F of x, function of x. Okay, p of x, polynomial in x. G of x, names only. Okay now? Understood or not? Now, over here, so it is coming as 3x square plus 7x minus 1. Yeah. Saying what is the polynomial is going to. Yeah. Formula asked you now. I will also same thing reciprocate now. Trigonometry once I'll ask the formula, then it will be proper. Now you have to check the this one, the polynomial terms. Every variable you have to check. What is the degree of the polynomial to identify? Highest terms, highest power. Which is the highest power over here? 2. This is polynomial with one term. It is known as monomial. Polynomial with 2 terms. Binomial. Polynomial with 3 terms. Binomial. Polynomial of degree 1. Linear polynomial. Polynomial of degree 1. Linear equation. Linear polynomial. Polynomial of degree 2. Quadratic polynomial. Polynomial of degree 3. Cubic polynomial. Okay. That will be followed. So one first thing is how to identify whether it's a polynomial means check the degree of the variables. If it is f of x means x is only, generally there is only one variable. Check all the terms degree, it should be a whole number. Okay, then these are linear and all common. Now next is, do you know division of polynomial? That also is a part of this chapter. Yes. All of you know how to divide? Yes. Everyone? Yes. Okay, divide. Right, divide.
Sir, I know do it by synthesis.
Huh? Simplest.
Synthesis.
You know synthetic, not synthesis, synthetic. No need of synthetic and all. Learn. You have to divide f of x by g of x. Find out. Divide one polynomial by another polynomial. There is no synthetic division for the quadratic and all. Divide, all of you. I am waiting for everyone to divide. Still people are talking. Hmm? You did the division? Don't know. Then that is why talking. Those who don't know, raise a hand. All the days. Okay, put the hand down. Those, how many of you know how to divide this one by this one? That's easy. Okay. Look here. This division, you know, it is not started. You are done in 7th standard. You studied in 8th standard. You studied in 9th standard. Online. Okay. Now, Acha Sarkar did not study in 7th standard. Okay, you studied in 1 standard now? Any one of the standard? 10th standard. Very good. Okay, so you can divide now. But all of you listen one. I will explain one the division. Sit down. Those who want to use the washroom during the class time, I will not allow next time. Yeah. First, do you know what is the dividend and what is the divisor? Dividend, divisor. Okay. Now when you divide it, all of you stop dividing and check. Is it in the degree should be in descending power? 4, 2, 1. And there is a term is missing. Which term is missing? Degree 3 term is missing. Okay. So whenever writing, you will write as x raised to 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus 1. Here anything is missing, you don't need to, don't just directly write as it is. Okay now? Yes. This much all of you followed? Yes, now the next process is, what should be multiplied with x square, highest degree to get x raised to 4. X square into how much? X square. Okay, we are not writing this x square over here. How did you get this x square? What to be multiplied x square to get this x raised to 4? It is x square. Now this x square will be multiplied with all the terms. X square into x square, x raised to 4. X square into minus x, minus x cube. Below of the like term you will write. Then plus 2x square. Hope all of you followed till here. Yes. Okay, now the next is you have to subtract. Subtracting means change the sign. Plus become minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Don't think that opposite signs of putting minus means plus. Whatever the sign, it's opposite one. If it is x raised to 4 minus x raised to 4, cancel. 0x cube plus x cube. Answer is x cube. Minus 3 minus 2. Minus 5x plus 5x plus 1. This much is okay. The process is continued. What should we get the x square to get x cube? X plus x. So x into x square. X cube minus x square plus 2x. Change the sign. Cancelled. So minus 5 plus minus 4x square plus 3x plus 1. Have you followed this much?
Yes.
Now what should be x squared?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. So write minus 4. Minus 4 into x squared. Minus 4x squared.
Plus more.
Minus minus is plus 4x. Okay, then
Minus 8.
minus 8. Again change the sign. Plus, minus, plus. More, can you see the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now.
Then
Minus 6.
after that it's cancelled.
Minus
Therefore,
Minus x
minus
plus
x
nine.
squared plus 9. Is it just done?
Yes,
Followed
sir.
all of you?
Yes,
Everyone?
Yes.
Which step we are not followed? Now, first step, which one? The 0x cube I wrote, that is a problem. There is no x cube term. So,
Okay.
did you follow this step? That now you wait till then next lecture you tell I did not follow. This followed. This is followed. How did you get x square? Yes or no? Speak. Did you follow this one? X square multiplied with x square. X raised to 4. X square multiplied with minus x cube. X square multiplied with 2. 2x square. Change the sign. This was plus minus. Minus become plus. Now we'll start the topic. Then subtract means change the sign and add. These two are cancelled. 0 plus x cube. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Are you followed now?
Yes.
The same process you'll do. What should be multiplied x square to get x cube? X. X in the same process. Now, what is the quotient over here? Sir will tell. X square. Yes, let him tell now. X square plus x minus 4. What is the remainder? Remainder. X minus x plus 9. When does the all okay now? Relax. When does the Sanskruti want to answer? Okay, stand up. When does the division stop? When we stop the division? Huh? Listen here. Division will be stopped at two places. Either remainder becomes 0 or degree of the remainder will be less than this one, dividend. Do you know which is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder?
Yes.
Do you know what is the relation between all the things?
Yes, sir.
Homework is given to you. No. Who is that shouting? Ritu standard. Standard. Tell what is the homework you have given. She said no. Yeah. It is not the 21.3 homework. All of you listen here. Sit down. Did we complete? Stop talking. Trigonometry first homework is completed.
Yes, sir.
Three weakness. Complement. 21.1 is completed now.
Yes, sir.
Complete 21.2 and 3 is very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay, and carry your polymer. Okay, study.
निकल ये रुकना हम लोग भी आ रहे हैं हाँ लेकिन 2 मिनट रुक मेरे को जाना है नीचे रुक ये पानी
Outside, I forgot.